Pido. Lepalam right in front of him. Nasa ilalim ang bola. Kay Chong to Canaleta off the glass and in.
Which is exactly what we were discussing. You moved.
Dennis Santos. And then ang ball pressure sa taas. Santos with a turnaround shot. Off the glass and in para kay Dennis Santos. And Akmac Cardona, JJ Helterbrand, J. Mark Malyari. Right there sa bench ng Binyan.
Yan ang firepower ng Binyan.
Roger on the run. Finds Alonte, who will wait for friends.
Good shot.
Fires a
Good
three,
shot.
and he puts it in.
I like that shot by Ronnie Alonte. I mean, there was nobody in.
Joseph Peña Redondo, take a look at this shot from Ronnie. And hindi pa nga pinapasok sa Estrada.
Right.
De Chavez for three. Yes.
Yeah. I rest my case. He's one of the
last shot here.
Oh, good skip.
De Chavez. Off.
But he's 2 out of 2 now.
Oh. Here's Maestre. Has to fire and hit. Mike Maestre. Binigay kay Manalang.
Good swing.
Roca Curva to Canaleta from the corner. That's good.
Well, you just love countable para dito sa Val City considering the firepower that they have. At a certain point in the first half, and it's good to see that back for Val City.
Roca Curva
Ooh.
sticks it in. Armenion drop
Nice
pass to
pass.
Payawa. Kapos. Another opportunity. Mike Machon refusing to give up.
Yeah, and Mike.
Armenion, two-man game with Machon.
Wow.
And you can flex, young man.
Oh.
To Jimboy, back to Pamboy. Canaleta
Oh, man.
will fire. Yes! Easy. Rebound, takbo ang Valenzuela. De Chavez, the extra pass to Ryan. Oh!
Wow.
No, there's a reason why he's on the court right now. Pido. Inside. Good look to Maestre. Ang ganda ng gather. Ang ganda ng finish.
Yeah.
Putan has it. Sinusubukan ang depensa ni Poy Poy. Mahirap din iusok.
Oh, mahirap rin iusog. Matibay rin ang binti eh.
Oh.
Magbinti si Pido doon.
Katakutan.
There you go.
Again, that.
Machon puts the ball on the floor on the post. Then we, double him on the second dribble. Oh!
Great spin. Ay, Poy Poy Aktob. Watch this. Great spin move. Galing kay Poy Poy Aktob. A little more in control here. Pero ang bilis ng ikot.
Yeah.
Just a... Ano? JJ Pido. Aktob for three. Ganda na sagot ni Poy Poy from the corner.
He's almost at the logo when he sets this up.
8 seconds in the shot clock. Poy Poy!
Oh, wow.
Three-pointer para kay Poy Poy Aktob. Benyan pulling away late. 8 points in the ball game para kay Aktob.
And the 3 points in practices, I guess now is, fruition. And hopefully this starts...
Benyan pulling away in the